here's me finding Nuremberg, the North South. Here it is. The full thing is big. Bigger. Way bigger. I don't know bigger. No, I don't know bigger, but like way bigger. Anyways, we're going to make races bigger than that. Search Crunch for smell it, please. I'll give you a few seconds. Pause there. Yep. If you scroll down, you probably would have found Nuremberg somewhere. Like, it's the longest track, well, the most twisty turny track of the whole game. And the second longest besides Special Stage Route X. And the longest rail one. Yeah. Well, get that moon Terrania does definitely not look like the best place to add one. Ooh, not the best place. Definitely not the best place. Not to be mean or anything, but definitely that's not the best place. Anyways, I feel like we should do a Kara next. As the capital Ghana. Ring, 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 ring. But it's just about this small, weird peninsula. Around the dance without up to just about the University of Ghana, all the way to Maritime University B-ball court. This race will go through, actually will be in Akara. Actually. Cool. Anyways, we'll start driving. We're going to drive through Nah, that's pretty off-road. There. Going to Abba Street. Yikes. Big track. St. Teresa's School. Whoa. Today we're going to make a big race. This is so big. Yeah. So big. Anyways, we're going to drive all the way to here. Without crossitude. I mean, not crossing. And gratitude. Like, attitude. Yeah. Then he did joining back to the road. Whoa. Back to the road. Road is being given 36 kilometers. And it also includes the whole racetrack is throughout Akara. This racetrack, if we're to be in Gran Turismo, would be the only African track in the game because, so far, most likely there aren't any Gran Turismo racetracks in Africa. Shoo-wee. Let's kick out of the game. Right. Yeah, click out. And go back to the racetrack. 36 kilometers! Gosh, big. Anyways, this has been my first video in a very long time. Like, over a month. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'll definitely make videos more. Anyways, bye-bye.